Use of convex lenses. Simple microscope. A convex lens with small focal length produces a virtual, erect, and bigger image of an object as shown in the figure. Such a lens is called simple microscope or magnifying lens. One can get a 20 times larger image of an object using such microscopes. These are used for watch repair, testing precious gems, and finding their defects. Compound microscope. Simple microscope is used to observe small-sized objects, but minute objects like blood cells, cells of plants and animals, and minute living beings like bacteria cannot be magnified sufficiently by simple microscope. Compound microscopes are used to study these objects. A compound microscope is made of two convex lenses, objective and eyepiece. The objective has smaller cross-section and smaller focal length. The eyepiece has bigger cross-section. Its focal length is also larger than that of the objective. Higher magnification can be obtained by the combined effect of the two lenses. As shown in the figure, the magnification occurs in two stages. The image formed by the first lens acts as the object for the second lens. The axes of both lenses are along the same line. The lenses are fitted inside a metallic tube in such a way that the distance between can be changed. Telescope. Telescope is used to see distant objects clearly in their magnified form. The telescopes used to observe astronomical sources like the stars and the planets are called astronomical telescopes. Telescopes are of two types. 1. Refracting telescope. This uses lenses. 2. Reflecting telescope. This uses mirrors and also lenses. In both of these, the image formed by the objective acts as object for the eyepiece which forms the final image. Objective lens has large diameter and larger focal length, because of which maximum amount of light coming from the distant object can be collected. On the other hand, the size of the eyepiece is smaller and its focal length is also less. Both the lenses are fitted inside a metallic tube in such a way that the distance between them can be changed. The principal axes of both the lenses are along the same straight line. Generally, using the same objective but different eyepieces, different magnification can be obtained. Optical instrument. Convex lenses are used in various other optical instruments like camera, projector, spectrograph, etc. Spectacles. Convex lenses are used in spectacles for correcting farsightedness. Try this. 1. Take a burning incense stick in your hand and rotate it fast along a circle. Answer. If we take a burning incense stick in our hand and rotate it fast along a circle, then we can see a circle of red color. 2. Draw a cage on one side of a cardboard and a bird on the other side. Hang the cardboard with the help of a thread. Twist the thread and leave it. What do you see and why? Answer. After drawing a cage on one side of a cardboard and a bird on the other side, and by hanging that cardboard with the help of a thread, then if we twist the thread and leave it, we see that the bird appears to be inside the cage. This happens due to persistence of vision.